Oh, what can I say? 2x is a 2x. Slightly better than leave. Enjoy. New round. Woo! Good luck, ladies and gentlemen. Good luck. Oh, look at that top slot action. 10x on 14, hot spot. And now we're talking business. Yeah! 15 with that 7x. That is nothing but redemption time. Woo! Come on, baby! And there's 100x as the max multi. After we have applied the multi, 700x. Let's pull this thing. Oh my God! 14, we don't need that 14. 210, nope. Let's double it up, baby. Yes! Global multiplier, double the trouble. So 1400x now as the max multiplier. Guys, we must go all the way up to that battery. 210, no. There's a 1400x. Why would we go for 98 or 140 on 70 or 560 if there's 400x? I'm sorry, Wait. No 70 either? Guys, you're a winner. You're a winner already. Yes! And the moment of truth. Last battery. We take it home, baby. Woo! We bring it home. 1400x, 803 winners. Get in there. Get in there. Raise your hands. Raise your hands, everybody. Woo! Now we're talking business. Congratulations. That's what's up. Man. Smooth as silk. I don't know what to say. 1,400x. Just like silk. Ching. It's mine. We just busted in and we grabbed the battery. It's mine. Congratulations, guys. Please enjoy the winnings, all right? That's my personal record here. Number 16 Monster Mash. Oh, wow.